I'm Jeff Clarkin with Wiseco Piston, 27-year veteran. I actually started in the company back in 1995 in the tool room, machining, locating pins. From there, I had the opportunity to work in manufacturing. I became pretty quick as a roaming inspector, running several pieces of equipment, learning the processes, machining. A couple years later, I was promoted over to the lathe department as a group lead on the second shift. Worked on quite a few projects, including Winston Cup for Jack Roush. When I moved over to the sales department, worked in power sports sales, automotive, did a lot of travel for the sport compact and domestic. Slowly evolved over to the OEM accounts manager. From there, with the passion, with the products, knowing customers' needs and expectations, I was able to get into the quality department, which now I'm the supervisor for the critical lab for Wiseco. We've taken the inspection processes that we use for standard production and we've evolved it over to what we would do for first article inspection, brand new components, to the point of power sports crankshafts, which most people see the changes we've made in this line over the last 2 years. Since my time in manufacturing here at Wiseco, was also part of the research and development program, working out pistons in my superbike engine where I'd road race motorcycles for 14 years, also land speed raced. A lot of the products that we offer right off the shelf were tested on the engine dynos in personal vehicles, bikes. Growing up, both my parents raced. My dad had a Corvette. My mother had a 68 Chevelle wheel stander. They both raced at the local track, Thompson Raceway. So I was kind of bit with the bug at a young age. The relationships outside of Wiseco, the racers that we support, like English Racing, being able to be a part of those engine programs, be able to watch the cars go and break world records, bring the product back in-house, remeasure them, put them on the CMM, qualify the product, see where we need to make changes to help evolve it. It's been truly a blessing working with the company, a lot of opportunities, and I just love to see the changes with the products and new markets that we're getting into. The sky's the limit.